Baking, brewing, learning, doing. This is the Equal Brewkery. It was founded by Bill Russell in 2017 after he suffered from a stroke. In his rehabilitation, he started to think about what life was like for those like him who have suffered strokes, have brain impairments or learning difficulties.
I'm a volunteer and I've been here about 4 years. Initially we just did baking and then we set up the brewery. The best part is drinking good beer, working with interesting people, making a contribution, making some people's lives better is probably the best bit.
This combined bakery and microbrewery is a not-for-profit community interest company. They provide training and support for people with learning disabilities so that they can source opportunities in the working world. On Tuesday, they were baking some sourdough bread using their own home-brewed blonde ale. I met Donna, and she taught me how to use the labelling machine, and I got to see the packaging of a finished product.
Well, before I come here, I was working at Mazda, and then that went wrong. So then I come here, and I've been here about a year. People are nice, friendly.
Yeah, and what were you up to this morning?
Trying to get everything sorted out, like get all the bottles and the machine so that we could label about, I think there's about 12 or 13 boxes. Yeah, everyone's great. I get on with everyone, which is good.